Hi, my name is David from Well Architects. Many investors in the world has already go into investing for many years, and there's one common word that's been keep surfacing in their mind, but I only can say that majority of them do not know what it means. The word is called value investing. So what is value investing? And why is it important value investing is to you in your investing journey? Let me tell you why value investing is important. But before that, you need to know another jargons in value investing. Let me show you to you. Market value is the price that actually you can see is determined by the market forces and the sentiment. It's correlated directly with the demand and supply of that particular stocks. The next one is intrinsic value. Intrinsic value is the price that we determine from the fundamental of the company, which means what are the profits that is going to be generated by this company in the coming quarters that is going to be used to determine the real value of the company. Now, why is it value investing important? Let me show you in the graph itself, yeah? First, we're going to draw the price movement based on the market sentiment. For example, yeah, in this red color, this is considered by the market value given by majority of the investor in the market while they are doing their tradings. The next one is actually the intrinsic value of that company. Now, how about this? Alright, so this is the intrinsic value, or we call as the real value of the company itself. So, in this graph, what can you see actually, right? From here, you can know that whether this particular stock currently is overvalued or is undervalued. So when is it overvalued? The overvalue is when the market value is actually more than the intrinsic value. Here, for example, this side is considered as overvalued. Okay, whereby the intrinsic value is only here. Alright, so what are you going to do at this particular point of time? Okay, so you know that actually this company only worth this much, but the market already give this much. This is undervalued. Right? So when is it that is undervalued? Undervalued is here. This is undervalued. Knowing that the market price has not really reflect to the real value of the company itself. Okay, so why does this graph be important? It's important for you to use it as your entry price. Okay, assuming if you bought it here, okay, and the real value is here, okay, it's just a matter of time whereby this price will move up. So if you bought it this price itself, then they will be called what we call as the margin of safety. Which means when you invest into this company itself, you are rather safe in terms of your risk management. So what is the consequences of not knowing about value investing? The consequences is most of the time you're going to buy a stock price which is actually overvalued, as you can see from here. And basically what happens continuously, if you do that, you're going to lose money. Let me show you what is going to happen. I already showed you when you bought it undervalued, the share price normally will go up. But what if you're buying at a price, the market value at the overvalue side, normally most of the time, this graph itself will continue to go down and maybe it will reach a point of touch with this intrinsic value itself. So by investing in such a way without where you are going, most of the time you will be actually buying high and actually selling low. Because when you do this investing itself, not only you need to understand that the intrinsic value of a company to determine your entry price, in the trading itself, emotions is also come in place. Alright, so that is also another reason why value investing is very important, whereby when you bought it with a safety margin, you is going to be well versed, well understand on your portfolio itself, and you can actually sleep well at night. So now you know that understanding whether it's undervalued or it's overvalued is important in your investing journey going onwards. Alright, I hope you gained something from this video, and thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the next episode, and remember to like our YouTube, Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. Bye!